Modern life is packed full of plans, obligations, and constant distractions. Leaving the city behind is the greatest way to escape all that noise and traffic. Connecting with nature fills the spirit with peace and tranquility. Being outdoors, away from the chaos, slows the passage of time and thus enhances experiences. In nature, even the mundane tasks of life are more enjoyable, and the mind is no longer obstructed by constant demands. With peaceful surroundings, comfort is no longer a priority. All the senses come alive when they're not overwhelmed. A relaxed pace promotes peace and contentment, allowing the mind freedom to contemplate and thoughts to flow freely. Spending time off the grid can be rejuvenating, creating an appreciation for life's simple pleasures. Returning to life's comfort zone brings appreciation and gratitude, feeling refreshed and ready to tackle life's demands once more. Ultimately, nature teaches us that stepping away from the noise is all we need to rediscover the beauty in our lives.